Imagine a vast cosmic marketplace with countless stars, each representing a firm. In the realm of perfect competition, these stars are tiny and numerous, each producing the same cosmic dust. No single star can dictate the price of this dust. This is the essence of perfect competition, a theoretical market structure where many small firms sell identical products. They are price takers, not price makers. One key feature of this cosmic market is free entry and exit. New stars can ignite and join the market easily. Dying stars can fade away without disrupting the cosmic balance. This ensures a dynamic and fluid marketplace. Information flows freely through this cosmos. Buyers and sellers have perfect knowledge. They know the price of cosmic dust everywhere. They are aware of production methods and resource availability. This transparency keeps the market in equilibrium. This model of perfect competition, while theoretical, helps us understand the dynamics of real-world markets. It provides a benchmark against which we can measure the efficiency and competitiveness of actual industries on our own planet. In our cosmic marketplace, the price of cosmic dust is determined by the forces of supply and demand. If more stars want dust, the price rises. If fewer stars need dust, the price falls. This price fluctuation continues until supply and demand find a balance. This balance point is called equilibrium. At equilibrium, the quantity of cosmic dust supplied equals the quantity demanded. All stars operate at their most efficient level, producing the optimal amount of dust. Resources are allocated efficiently. In the short run, some stars might experience a cosmic windfall. They might discover a new efficient dust-making technique. This could lead to temporary profits. However, perfect information means that other stars will quickly adopt this new technique. In the long run, these temporary profits vanish. New stars enter the market, attracted by the initial profits. This increases supply and drives the price back down. Eventually, all stars earn just enough to cover their costs, a state known as zero economic profit. Perfect competition is often lauded for its efficiency. Since no single star can influence the price, they must produce dust at the lowest possible cost to remain competitive. This is known as productive efficiency. Moreover, resources are allocated to their most valued use. Dust is produced only if buyers are willing to pay a price that covers its production costs. This is allocative efficiency. However, even in this idealized cosmic market, some limitations exist. The assumption of identical products is rarely true. Cosmic dust, like earthly goods, can have subtle variations. Furthermore, perfect information is a cosmic ideal, rarely achieved in our messy universe. Stars might not have complete knowledge of distant corners of the market. Despite these limitations, perfect competition serves as a valuable benchmark. It highlights the benefits of a competitive marketplace: lower prices, efficient production, and optimal resource allocation. Our cosmic marketplace, while a simplification, helps us understand the spectrum of market structures. At the opposite end of the spectrum lies monopoly, where a single massive black hole controls the entire supply of cosmic dust. Between these two extremes lies monopolistic competition, where many stars produce slightly different types of dust, and oligopoly, where a few large stars dominate the market. Perfect competition, with its emphasis on numerous small firms and free entry and exit, provides a framework for evaluating these other market structures. It allows us to assess the degree of competition and its impact on efficiency and consumer welfare. While achieving perfect competition in its purest form might be as difficult as reaching a distant galaxy, it serves as a guiding star. By understanding its principles, we can strive to create markets that are more competitive, efficient, and beneficial for all.